Welcome back. The High Court has taken a dig at Goa government on the illegality going on inside Sada jail at Vasco. On the direction of High Court, an inquiry was conducted by the Additional Sessions Judge, South Goa. The inquiry report prima facie discloses that there are certain illegal activities going on at Sada jail.
The High Court has asked the state government that whether any action has been taken or proposed to be taken against the officials working at sub-jail Sada in connection with the illegalities mentioned in the report filed by Additional Sessions Judge Margao. The High Court has also asked the state government whether any independent inquiry by the state government has been conducted or not. The High Court has given 4 weeks time to Goa government to file its reply. The High Court had directed Additional Sessions Judge South Goa to investigate the situation inside Sada jail after hearing a petition filed by 3 inmates. Additional Sessions Judge in his inquiry prima facie found that there are certain illegal activities going on at Sada jail. The petition was filed by 3 inmates at Sada jail. The High Court has fixed 29th of July as next date of hearing. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Members of Goans for Daboli have asked the Chief Secretary B. Vijayan to intervene and stop the construction at Daboli. They said that the land at Daboli is surveyed for parking and other essential facilities at the airport. The members had earlier asked the government to stop the construction activity at the site. Meanwhile, they have warned to go to any extent to retain Daboli Airport as the sole airport in Goa.
We will go to any extent.
This land is extremely important for Goa's economy to grow in a natural, in a proper way. The Daboli Airport has always been central, pivotal for Goa's economic growth. And by this, not giving this land to the airport for its growth is like strangulating the airport.
Father Ermito said the land should be exclusively reserved for future need of Daboli. Hence, the construction activity at the site should be stopped.
At the moment, it has been sold to some builders, that's what we hear. But huge constructions are going on. And this was granted to it was denotified on the ground that 70,000 square meter land government will make available to the airport authorities.
Senior reporter Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Shiv Sena members gheraoed Margao Municipality chairperson on Tuesday. They raised issues like market encroachment during late hours of the day, drainage system, illegal hutments and illegal kiosk in Margao. Nonetheless, chairperson Arthur De Silva has assured that he would induct more market inspectors in Margao. Shiv Sena members have warned of an agitation if the assurance is not fulfilled within 8 days.
हमसे जो टकराएगा मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा शिव सेना जिंदाबाद
आजच आम्ही सकाळी तेजेर मीटिंग घेतलेल्या आता ओल्ड टाइम कसो दिवपाचो आणि कसो स्टाफ अपॉइंट करपाचो न्यू आणि आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाक तो प्रपोजल धाडपाचे
आज मडगांव शहरान एन्क्रोचमेंट वाढलेलो आसा आणि म्युनिसिपालिटी कांयच करना 4-5 निवेदन दिले तरी आसतना काय करना आज फुटपाथ सारको चॉक जाल्ले आहा मेन उद्देश आसलो म्हणजे गांधी मार्केट आणि न्यू मार्केट हांगा एन्क्रोचमेंट वाढलेलो आसा म्युनिसिपालिटी कांयच करना एकदम तेका निवेदन दिवपा आयिल्ले तशेंच झोपडपट्टे वाडलेले आसा सोदुबान म्हणटा थंयसर 7 उपरांत गाड्यो लायता हे रोडाचेर आसता सारके आनी तांकां परमिशन मागलें आमी आयटीआय कांय दिलें ना तेंच्यांनी कित्याक हांकां करप्शन करपा जाय भितर भ्रश्टाचार थोडे ऑफिसर आसा कांय दिवपाक रेडी ना
दिला आपण 8 दिसा भितर हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतलो हे तेणे आमकां एश्युरन्स दिल्लेले आसा की आमी 8 दिसा भितर करता सपोज 8 दिसा भितर करूंक ना जायत जाल्यार आमी हांगा म्युनिसिपालिटीचेर मोर्चा हाडटले आणि शिवसेनेची कशी सिस्टम आहा त्या पद्धतीन आमी करतले.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.